Hi, I'm Chef Carol, and one of my favorite things to make is oven fried chicken wings. Normally, I would make at least 2 pounds or more, but today I just want to scale it down a little. So what I've done is I've taken the chicken wings, the flat area, my favorite part, and I've soaked them in vinegar overnight just to clean them. And I've lightly dusted them with salt and pepper. The first thing I'm going to do is to start preheating my oven. And today I'm going to use the air fryer. Normally I would use the oven. So this is going to be a little different even for me. So I've taken an old shaker that used to house a particular blend of seasoning. And to this shaker, I'm going to add in a tablespoon of baking powder. I'm going to add in a teaspoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of onion powder, and to that, I'm going to add a half a teaspoon of seasoned salt. And I'm just going to take this, put it together, very simple mix, shake it up, and I'm just going to spread out my flat wings. So what you want to do is make sure they're as dry as you can make them. I'm just going to dry out the bottom here, pat them dry. Now normally this mix would take care of 2 pounds of chicken wings. So I'm just going to shake this on. You just want to coat the entire wing. And you may be wondering why I'm using baking powder, but I warn you, do use baking powder instead of flour. So I'm just going to place my wings on my air fryer tray. Normally, if I were using a regular oven, I would do a half an hour on each side at 425. My air fryer only goes to 400. So I'm going to have to watch it pretty closely, and I'll give you the exact times at the end. So let's get to it. The chicken wings are finished. I tested and they have an internal temperature of 200, which is well over what is required for chicken. I kept them in the air fryer for a total of 20 minutes. So that would save considerable time over the oven method, which is an hour. Therefore, I must say that the oven presentation actually looks better, but as long as they're delicious and when you're only making a small batch, it seems like the air fryer is a good bet. Bon appetit.